Hello and welcome in. I am Sam, and this is my weather live stream. So I usually start out with a precipitation, and we'll do so tonight also, starting with the northeast. We have a couple of little spots of range, thunderstorms here in Maine. Just a couple of little scattered shower. I don't even know if that's a thunderstorm or not. Go back to the static map here, and it'll show the lightning. We also have thunderstorms here in northern New York, stretching from Tupper Lake all the way here through uh, Newport, Vermont, and looks like Plattsburgh's got some rain too. This is down into Middlebury. Looks like Saratoga Springs has some rain showers. Connecticut and Massachusetts. We've got pretty intense lightning over here in the western part of Massachusetts. Westboro, it looks like. Clinton, Marlboro. Looks like Springfield and Chicopee are getting some rain also. Stafford, down into Connecticut here. Hartford's got a rain shower. Waterbury, and all along the coastline, including most of Rhode Island right now. Boston is dry, but it's not going to stay that way for very long. It looks like that storm is heading that way. So have some thunderstorms here across central New York. Just south of Rochester. Also have some rain in Canandaigua, Penn Yan. This is just past Bath. It's between Bath and Watkins Glen. And this line of rain just past Ithaca here. And here's some lightning in the southern tier near North Barton, Owego. Corning's got some rain right now, including a lot of the southern tier here. And this line of storm stretches down into Pennsylvania, including Coudersport, Smethport, St. Mary's. And it looks like we also have got a thunderstorm just west of Williamsport near Jersey Shore. Middleburg's got some rain showers. Pine Grove kind of stretches down to Lebanon here. New Jersey, we've got some rain showers right across the south to central part of New Jersey. Mostly is on the southern part here. From Wilmington, Delaware, kind of goes this way up Middletown, Bridgeton, Vineland, up to Tom's River, and then out into the ocean a little bit here. This same one stretches over to Baltimore and Maryland. Doesn't look like there's anything going on in Denton yet. May not. there are some other rain showers and thunderstorms here in Virginia. And I kind of skipped over this storm in Pennsylvania, so I'll jump back there real quick. Frankfurt Springs looks like Cross Creek, McKeesport, got rain showers. Uniontown, we got a little thunderstorm here. Washington, D.C., got a thunderstorm headed there. Then across West Virginia here, we've got some thunderstorms down in the south. Looks like this is affecting Arnett and Copperstown, Hilltop, Clifton, Hilton Village, and Bingham. And then this has rain showers behind it, looks like also. This stretches all the way up to Morgantown. This is part of the same front here. Go back to Virginia here. Sorry about that. I had to take a drink of water real quick. Emerton looks like. Kilmarnock got a rain shower there. Here in Central Virginia, Farmville has got a rain shower. Marion got a little thunderstorm near there. Let's see what else is going on. There's not too much going on in the rest of the South here. North Carolina is looking pretty dry for now. South Carolina, nothing going on. Georgia, don't have any rain. Florida, we have a rain shower right across the central part of Florida here, from Tampa down to Cape Coral, and then across inland over the main part of it's over Arcadia, Lake Placid, Sebring, and then over here a little further east, Brahma Island is getting some rain. And all the way along the shore here, New Smyrna Beach. Looks like Merritt Island does have some rain on it. This is not exactly where, it's kind of in this area where Bill lives somewhere. Not precisely, just somewhere in that area. If I'm not mistaken. Excuse me. And keep going south here, Fort Lauderdale. There's a little line of showers here from West Palm Beach down to Fort Lauderdale. And then we got a couple more rain showers over here near Deep Lake, Rock Island, and Turkey Foot. Looks like it's about to go there. Keys are looking good right now. There's a rain shower out here in the ocean though. Also some thunderstorms here to the east of Florida, but that's only affecting you if you're in a ship or a boat. I don't know any of the Zoom homies that are out on the water there right now. or anybody that's watching. We have a thunderstorm here in western Alabama near Bryn. Possibility of some hail maybe with that. Bear Creek, Sunny Home. Just rain showers up north of that. Littleville, Hatton. Then we get into Tennessee a little bit. Got a thunderstorm out here near right over Sardis and Saltillo. And then a few rain showers. Fayetteville. Then this kind of goes up Shelbyville and stretches in a line to the northeast to Cookville. Mississippi, got a rain shower just southwest of Columbus. And a couple scattered showers near Macomb. Louisiana, we got a rain shower near New Iberia. Arkansas, actually this stretches down into Texas, so from Big Sandy, Texas, Pittsburgh, we got a line of storms, stretches right across the southeastern corner of Oklahoma into Arkansas here, right over to Arkadelphia and Smead, Leola, Russellville, Gravel Hill, Rupert, Arkansas. This goes all the way up here. And also have some more storms in southern Missouri that are associated with this front. Thunderstorms. So this one's just south of Springfield. It looks like it's actually already been past Springfield. Cassville, Washburn, Clever, Ozark, Rogersville, Eminence, Winona, it's okay, Ken. You're allowed to be busy with multiple things. Winona, this kind of continues on, but it's not thunderstorms over on this side. Oak Ridge, Club, Piedmont. Most of the rest of Missouri is pretty dry for now. Jefferson City's out of the way. Those storms, we'll come back and look at those later. Kentucky's pretty dry right now. Ohio, got some thunderstorms in the western part of Ohio from Lima, Greenville, Ohio, then Indianapolis. These are scattered pop-up rain showers and thunderstorms from Fortville across Indianapolis down through to Mooresville, Mount. It doesn't look like Greenwood's got anything yet, but I'll quick turn on the animation and see what's going on with the tracking on that. So in the past hour, those are strengthening, and it looks like this here might brush Greenwood a little bit. At this rate, you might get a little bit of rain, a couple of lightning strikes. I don't think there's any severe weather with this, like other than a couple of lightning strikes. This is pretty strong, intense lightning here to the east. And so is this up here further to the north, just west of Frankfurt. Blocks, Fairmount, got some active strikes there. That ring around a strike actually represents the thunder, and the distance that's traveling across the map at its scale. So when I'm zoomed in like that and you see a lightning strike, it'll actually show that ring is the thunder from it. Huntington got some thunderstorms. Then these storms continue. These are like pop-up storms. This is right on the state line. Illinois, near Kankakee, just past Kankakee, Coster, Sherburville, and rain shower up in Crown Point. Also have a very strong thunderstorm here, right over Kilbourne, Iowa, and this is a massive storm. Stockport. I wanted to look at the watches and warnings on this one. This could definitely produce hail, strong lightning, lots of frequent lightning here. I'm going to continue to look at the precipitation in the other states, and then I'll go over to watches and warnings. Wisconsin's pretty dry. Minnesota has not got much going on. North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas is pretty dry. Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon, not too much going on there. California, not too much going on. Just going to eliminate all the states that don't have any precipitation and then focus on places that have thunderstorms and rain. Like Nevada currently has a few thunderstorms here in the south near Caliente, Survival City, Arizona. We've got a few thunderstorms. This one's up. No, I don't see any town names really near this. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere. It's near Yellowstone Mesa. And this one's out. It's kind of, this is kind of actually near the Grand Canyon a little bit. So, kind of, this is over the Grand Canyon a little bit, I guess. And also Roswell Camp. This storm seems to have weakened. You can see the previous lightning strikes there, that grayish area. Flagstaff's pretty dry right now. To the northeast of Phoenix, near Sunflower, North Bay Estates, Theodore Roosevelt Lake there, got a thunderstorm near there. Pretty intense lightning near Klondike, Hopper Creek. Out here in the middle of nowhere. Safford's got some lightning, Old Columbine. These storms stretch over into New Mexico, Las Cruces, Silver City, Truth or Consequences has a thunderstorm up into Corona, New Mexico. Ramon, Deering Place, Tucumcari, thunderstorm there. Hassel, then into northern Texas, got a pop up there near Plummins. And then over here by Texas, I already mentioned those storms. I've got the pointer right on them, actually. Go ahead and look at the watches and warnings real quick. Here in Indiana is this special weather statement. Doppler reader is tracking a strong thunderstorm near Fairmount. Gust up to 40 miles an hour. Here in Arkansas, we got a special weather statement on these storms from 9 to 10 p.m. in this area. Winds up to 40 mile an hour, half-inch size hail with this. Here in central Tennessee, we got a flash flood warning near Columbia, actually covering Columbia, Tennessee. Out here in West Virginia, got a couple of flash flood warnings. And right over Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, Bangor, Pennsylvania, flood warning. And that's probably along the Delaware there and the tributaries. And look around here for any other flash flood warning near Pinoak, Pennsylvania. Lima, Ohio, got a special weather statement for storm near Elida, near Lima. Wind gust up to 40 mile an hour. Also have another box here. Different thunderstorm with 40 mile an hour wind, frequent cloud to ground lightning, and very heavy rain. Here in Iowa, got thunderstorm watches for Des Moines, severe thunderstorm watch for a lot of these southeastern counties here. We do have a warning, severe thunderstorm warning issued in Iowa with ping pong sized ball sized hail and 60 mile an hour gust with this one right here. Seek shelter immediately. Ping pong sized ball hail is no joke. It will hurt you if you get hit by it. And I'm sure cars and stuff will get damaged too. Here in New Mexico, those thunderstorms, we have a warning here with up to 60 mile an hour wind gust and small hail. So that's obviously the hail has not been observed there yet, and so they don't know the size of it, but they do know that there is a possibility of it happening. I have some air quality and fire alerts here in Washington and northern Oregon still, including, well, actually, a big portion of Oregon is dry. So is Washington. Idaho too. Montana fire danger warnings. Also Wyoming too, in the southwest corner here. Temperature warnings across California and western Arizona into Phoenix, Las Vegas, also most of Nevada, actually, big portion of Utah. Central Oklahoma's got temperature warnings. Along the eastern coast of Florida, the entire length of the coast has looks like wave warnings for high waves. We'll just take a peek at one of those, and that'll give us an idea of the rest of them. Actually, it says dangerous rip currents. That means surf. It is very strong right now. I don't know anybody who's out in the water at 11 o'clock at night, but if you're out there enjoying the beach at night, don't go in the water, basically. Alright, that's enough for watches and warnings. Excuse me for now. I'll go ahead and dive right into the temps. And looks like Maine and New England, we've got some warmer temps in Massachusetts for right now, 78 degrees there. New York, it's actually pretty nice here in western New York. It's only after you get down to closer to New York City it gets hotter. New Jersey in the 70s and 80s. Here in Denton, 79. Pittsburgh, 73. Columbus, Ohio, 73. Cleveland, 77. Indianapolis, 71. Chicago, 77. Green Bay, 77. Madison, 68. Eau Claire, 68. St. Paul is 70 degrees in Minnesota. International Falls is 62. Brainerd, 64. Bismarck, North Dakota, 70. Pierre, South Dakota, 71. Des Moines, Iowa, 77. Jefferson City, 77. Springfield, 71. St. Joseph, 75. Let's see here. Washington, D.C., 79. Richmond, Virginia, 79. Elizabeth City, 79. In North Carolina. Raleigh, 77. Charleston, South Carolina is 80 degrees. Columbia, 77. Atlanta, Georgia, 75. Macon, 79. Albany, Georgia, 79. Tallahassee, Florida, 79. Jacksonville, 79. Orlando, 77. Miami, 80. Vero Beach is 80 degrees. Cape Coral, 79. Pensacola is 80. New Orleans is 80 degrees. In Louisiana, Shreveport's 84. Jackson, Mississippi is 79. Montgomery, Alabama, 79. Nashville, 77. Memphis is 80. Chattanooga, 73. Knoxville, 73. Frankfort, Kentucky, 77. Springfield, Illinois 75. Working, South Carolina or South Dakota 62. Miles City 75. Billings 82. Great Falls is 77. Helena is 79. Missoula is 79. Eureka, Montana is 77. Lake Village in Yellowstone is 64. Cheyenne, Wyoming 77. Denver, Colorado 86. Durango 77. Telluride up in the mountains there 61. Moab, Utah's 95. Salt Lake City's 89. New Mexico, Santa Fe 70. Albuquerque 84. Alamogordo 80. Carlsbad 86. Arizona, Tuba City's 89. Flagstaff 66. Phoenix 104. Tucson 91. Mesa's 106. Las Vegas is 104. Carson City, Nevada is 84. It's 64. No, it's not. California, Los Angeles 77. Bakersfield 98. Fresno's 100 degrees. Modesto's 89. San Francisco's 59. Sacramento's 82. Redding, California's 98. Crescent City in the northwest corner of California is 55 there. Oregon, Eugene's 82. Salem 77. And let's see, Gentura's 89. Washington State and Seattle, it's 75. Olympia 71. Kennewick's 93. Spokane's 84. And let's go ahead and look at Alaska real quick. Anchorage is 62. Bethel's 53 degrees. Kodiak, there in Kodiak Island's 57. Go ahead and zoom in on Hawaii real quick. Kilauea is 71 right now. Honolulu's 82. I'll get over to the Philippines, actually Japan real quick. Tokyo's 91. Osaka's 98. Kumamoto's 91. Aomori's 80 degrees. In the Philippines and Puerto Princesa 86. Cebu City's 86. Manila's 82. And head on over to Europe. London 61. Bradford's 52. Edinburgh's 57. Inverness, Scotland's 57. Belfast, Northern Ireland is 53. Dublin in Ireland is 53. Reykjavik, Iceland's 48. Excuse me. I marked the shark. Go ahead and look at Canada's temps real quick. Newfoundland, St. John's is 52. Ottawa is 73. Toronto 71. Thunder Bay is 66. Winnipeg is 64. Swift Current 66. BC. Vancouver 70. Victoria is 68. And let's see what else. But oh, I didn't hit Alberta. Edmonton 62. Actually know somebody lives there. Calgary 70. I already said Alaska, didn't I? Starting to repeat myself. You can tell I'm tired. So, having looked at most of the weather, I'm going to quickly check chat to see if there are any special requests. Let's see. Get any towns that we want to look at the weather for specifically. Yes. Under in Indy, I am not seeing any towns that I have not mentioned yet. Oh wait, Tony said Cabo. That's in Mexico. So I guess we have to look at Mexico. I'm not even sure exactly where that's at. Wait, Cabo? I don't know where that's at. I think, is it in the Caribbean or in Mexico? I'm gonna have to look it up. Cabo, Spain? Is that what you're thinking? I guess. I'm not sure which Cabo you want. There's one in Portugal. There's a few Cabos. Most of them are in Spain, Portugal, Cabo, Tennessee. Um, I'm not sure where you mean. If you want a town that is obscure, you've got to include the country with it. Otherwise, I have no idea why I have a black screen. It should not have gone off of that. What is going on here? Uh-oh. How long have I had a black screen for? No! Not the dreaded black screen. Let's try something. Let's see if it switches back over to it. I guess not. What is going on here? I don't know, Tiffany. Not overly worried about it. I'm not sure why it's doing that. So I'm guessing it is time to end the stream. Since I have not the slightest clue. I'm not going to end on black. I don't know why it's doing that. That is so weird. So anyway, Good night, all, and I will see you tomorrow at 10:30. Take it easy. Sorry about the black